I was reading one of your posts or articles around the difference between digitization, digitalization, and the digital transformation. What is that? And why is it important to differentiate these three different terms?
Up until 2016, I'd been doing digitalization, right? I'd been using Industry 3.0 stack for manufacturers to get them value. Industry 4.0, industrial IoT, makes that leaner, meaner, faster, cooler, frankly, right? But it's still just digitalization. Like, let's just be clear, right? If you're making a process better, that's not going to transform your industry. Digital transformation with a capital T, that was born out of economic level seismic shifts in what technology was doing to the world. And specifically, people like Jeff Immelt recognized relatively early on that seismic shift that's happening in technology, what we were seeing in the consumer space, was going to have a major impact on the industrial.
I'm at a manufacturing plant. What are some examples that you would say are representative of transformation versus digitalization?
We'll pick a pump, right, running on the shop floor. The big thing that happened between Industry 4.0 and Industry 3.0, to get information off that pump, to push it through, making the connection to the PLC, PLC to an OPC server to SCADA, SCADA to historian maybe to an MES, all the way up. If a maintenance tech had a hypothesis about, I think that pump sounds funny, and they went to the IT department, or maybe hopefully the OT department, and said, hey, could you put an extra sensor in that? Because that thing is shaking funny, and I think it's going to damage this machine. The IT department, OT department would say, you're out of your mind. That's going to cost us probably, $2 million to pull in all these vendors just to stick a sensor on. Industry 4.0, still digitalization, we were able to literally go with a roll of duct tape, no baling wire, just a duct tape, a smart sensor, stick it on the pump, shoot the data up to the cloud. We actually did do some edge processing, and pull in data scientists with, pretty large data sets. I mean, not big data sets, I don't mean that, but like pretty high frequency data off a vibration sensor. Get the data scientists to look at it. And within, a few weeks, say to the maintenance tech, yeah, you're right. That not only is that pump shaking and it's going to potentially fail, we also proved that it's going to degrade the quality of the process it's supporting. I mean, I love it. I'm passionate about it, but that's not transformative, right? The transformative side of it is, who owns that pump? Where did that pump come from? Does the manufacturer know what's happening? Did they get any feedback from us when we did that analysis to say, hey, you know what? At this particular temperature, on this particular process, in these conditions, your pump starts to shake a little bit. That's closed loop. That's all easy, right? We've just got to connect everything. And as if by magic, the owner of that pump is suddenly going to be incentivized and aware of the use case I just talked about. My experience was when you bring all that data up and you put it on this magical platform in the cloud and you start talking up and down the supply chain, the conversations these companies have does not incentivize any sort of collaboration or data sharing around why that pump failed. If typically the relationship between the person that made that pump and the person that owns that pump is all around, hey, I'm going to sell it to you for a bunch of dollars. We're going to get through the warranty period together. Hopefully it doesn't fail during that time. You're probably going to keep my service people around maybe a year after the warranty period. But as soon as you can, you're going to get them off site because we're way more expensive than a third-party local maintenance crew. Data is actually used as ammunition often to either enforce the original contract, enforce warranty, or beat people up about the service contract. So when you start getting into these conversations around data sharing, it doesn't really flow as easily as we think it's going to be. So transformation, to me, the owner of the asset and the person operating it could collaborate and could share data and would have a mutually beneficial service model and wouldn't just end up eroding each other's businesses to make that a reality.